Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Conversion API with HubSpot for better attribution. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable the Conversion API with HubSpot for better attribution, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar, scroll down to find and select the Tracking and Analytics option. Under this section, click on API Event Tracking. Here, you will find an overview of the events you can track. To begin enabling the Conversion API, locate the section labeled Conversion API and click Get Started. Read through the information, click the Next button to proceed. Now you will need to generate an API key if you haven't done so already. Access your API keys within the settings by clicking on API keys in the left sidebar menu. If an API key already exists, you can use it. Otherwise, create a new one by clicking Create API Key. Make sure to securely store this key, as you will need it later. Once you have your API key, return to the Conversion API setup page and input the API key in the designated field. After entering the API key, click Save to apply the changes. Next, you'll need to define the conversion events you want to track. Choose relevant events such as form submissions, purchases, or lead signups that are critical for your business objectives. For each event, set up a name and description to keep your tracking organized. Once all events are configured, ensure you review your settings for accuracy before finalizing. Now it's time to link your backend system to the Conversion API. Follow the integration instructions provided by HubSpot, which typically involve connecting your server to HubSpot's API endpoints. This might require development skills, so coordinate with your technical team if necessary. Test the connection to ensure data is sent correctly and make adjustments if needed. Once confirmed, activate the Conversion API to start tracking your events. Monitor the performance of your tracked conversions through HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Evaluate the data regularly to gain insights and improve your marketing strategies. Make updates to your conversion setup as your business needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.